How to use DAP fertilizer for plants. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something very important for healthy plant growth, and that is how to properly use DAP fertilizer for plants. If you are a beginner in gardening, or even if you already have experience, understanding how and when to use DAP fertilizer can make a huge difference in your plant's growth, flowering, and overall health. So, let's get started. First of all, what exactly is DAP fertilizer? DAP stands for Di-Ammonium Phosphate. It is a very popular and widely used fertilizer that contains two essential nutrients for plants, nitrogen and phosphorus. Nitrogen helps in leafy growth. It makes your plants greener, stronger, and more vibrant. Phosphorus, on the other hand, is extremely important for root development, flowering, and fruit production. So, when you use DAP fertilizer correctly, you're giving your plants a strong foundation to grow faster and healthier. Now the question is, when should you use DAP fertilizer? DAP is best used during the early stages of plant growth. This is the time when plants are developing their roots and need extra support. You can also use it when you want to encourage flowering or fruiting, especially for plants like tomatoes, chilies, and flowering plants. But remember, DAP is a strong fertilizer, so timing and quantity are very important. Now, let's talk about how to use DAP fertilizer properly. There are mainly two easy methods you can use at home. The first method is soil application. Take a very small amount of DAP granules. For small pots, even half a teaspoon is enough. For medium pots, you can use 1 teaspoon. Do not put the fertilizer directly touching the plant stem. Always apply it a little away from the base of the plant. Gently mix it into the top layer of the soil. After that, water your plants properly so the nutrients can dissolve and reach the roots. The second method is making a liquid solution. This method is very effective and safer for beginners. Take 1 liter of water and add just a pinch of DAP fertilizer. Mix it well until it dissolves. Now use this water to feed your plants. This liquid fertilizer is absorbed quickly and gives faster results. But always remember, less is more when it comes to fertilizers. Overusing DAP can damage your plants. It can burn the roots, turn the leaves yellow, or even stop plant growth. So always use it in small quantities and not more than once every 2 to 3 weeks. Now, let's talk about some important tips you should always keep in mind. Never apply DAP on dry soil. Always make sure the soil is slightly moist before applying fertilizer. Avoid using DAP in extreme heat, especially during hot summer afternoons. The best time is early morning or evening. Do not use DAP on very young seedlings, as it can be too strong for them. And always observe your plants. If they look healthy and green, you don't need to overfeed them. Now you might be wondering which plants benefit the most from DAP fertilizer. DAP works very well for vegetable plants like tomatoes, chilies, and cucumbers. It is also great for flowering plants like roses, marigolds, and petunias. And even for fruit plants, DAP can help improve flowering and fruit development. So, whether you have a small home garden, terrace garden, or indoor plants, DAP can be a powerful tool if used correctly. To summarize, DAP fertilizer is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus, supports strong roots, improves growth, and enhances flowering. But always remember, the key is balance. Use small amounts, apply it properly, and give your plants time to respond. Gardening is not about rushing. It's about patience, care, and understanding your plants. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!